Hey, I just got back from a trip to Costco and I'm about to make lunch, so I thought I would show you what I'm making today. It is one of my favorite salads to keep on hand. It's a kale salad. It stays great in the fridge for a few days, like three days, 4 days, because kale is such a hardy green. So I usually pick up a bag of kale and it's already chopped up for me. The only thing you need to do is make sure you get out these really tough stem parts. So you just want to go through and make sure you get all those stems out and tear the kale up into little pieces. So I have all of my kale in the bowl. This was a 12-ounce bag. It would be about 2 big heads of kale if you cut it up yourself, but this is all pre-washed and pretty much ready to go, so that's just what I use. So now we are just going to put some lemon juice and some olive oil, extra virgin olive oil on it to massage the kale to make this a little bit not as tough. It's a little easier to eat. So I just have a lemon here. It's not a very good looking lemon, but it doesn't matter. I'm just going to put, about, I'm gonna say, let's see, probably a couple tablespoons in here. So when you squeeze your lemon, you want to hold it up like this and put your hand this way, so then the seeds don't go into your salad. So it's about 2 tablespoons. And then I'm also gonna add in probably 2 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil. That's about 1, and that's about 2. Next up, we are gonna put a big pinch of kosher salt on here. And lately I'm loving the Morton's kosher salt. And then I'm gonna also add in some fresh ground pepper. Now we are going to massage it. That's why it's called a massaged kale salad. So you're gonna do this for a couple minutes. And the reason you wanna do this is kale's very fibrous and tough, and this softens up the leaves some. It's nicer to eat it that way, and it's easier to digest. So just do this for a couple minutes. So then after a couple minutes of massaging your kale, you're gonna give it a taste just to see how the seasonings are. It's pretty good, a little lemony. I think it just needs a little more salt. And another little couple grinds of pepper. And then at this point, you could just cover this up and toss it into your fridge. And then this will stay just like this basically for the next 2, 3, 4 days. And then when you serve it, you can add in whatever salad ingredients you like. So I always add cheese into my salads. So Parmesan is a great one in this salad. And make sure that you grate this by hand, because if you buy the pre-shredded cheeses, they're covered with a coating and they don't taste as good, they don't melt as well. So I always recommend that you grate your cheese yourself. A couple other ingredients I'm gonna add in for the salad right away are, I like chickpeas, so this is 1 can that I drained. And then finally, got some hard-boiled eggs. I'm gonna get my egg slicer that I love and I always use. So I put in the egg one way like that, and then flip it around the other way like that. Probably had this egg slicer for about 30 years. So then just dump in the egg. I'm gonna do one more. So this is more of a savory kale salad, because I can also top this with either some cooked chicken or some shrimp, even steak. If you want to make a salad that is more sweet, on the sweet side, add in some dried fruits like dried mango or dried cranberries, dried cherries. And also you can add in candied nuts that way, and that's absolutely delicious. You know, it also is like fresh apples. You can dice those up and add them in too. So now this is ready to eat. Let's give this salad a try. Delicious. And when you eat this, you feel super healthy, and it's just one of my favorite salads. So when I store my salad, I use these bowl covers. They kind of look like shower caps. But they come in all different sizes. They're great for covering up salads and things when you want to store them in your fridge, just like that.